I just destroyed all 4 of my air hoses in the middle of nowhere. And honestly, that might not even be the most interesting part of this story. When I headed out on the trail yesterday, this is not how I was expecting it to end up. Oh my gosh, there is a story for me to tell you guys. I came out here chasing a place near St. George called Yant Flat, also known as the Candy Cliffs. People describe it like Zion without the crowds, a hidden gem. So I figured, let's go see if that's actually true. I started in Leeds, Utah, just before 6 a.m. And Leeds is not where you expect adventure to begin. It feels like stepping back in time. Tiny town, about 850 people, median age, 61. Utah is one of the youngest states in the country, and this place is basically the opposite. To get to Yant Flat, you turn off Main Street onto Silver Reef Road and head under I-15. Google Maps was like, turn left after Casa Tequila Mexican cuisine. That's a landmark to remember. Anyways, this road used to serve a silver mine back when this whole area was booming. And that's when I made my first mistake. I assumed that I would have cell service, and so I didn't download any maps. I know, rookie move. But it actually worked out great. Instead of finding the trailhead, I ended up higher up on the mountain, just in time for this. Sunrise over Zion in the distance, Sand Hollow down below. Not a bad mistake. Once I got my map sorted, I headed back down to the trailhead and immediately noticed mistake number 2. Yant Flat isn't just a pull up and look kind of place. You have to get out and hike a couple miles just to get there. Normally, no problem. But I'm 6 weeks removed from fracturing 2 vertebrae, and carrying 30 pounds of camera gear across the desert doesn't seem like a great idea. So I improvised, sent the drone up, and followed the trail out. And yeah, this place is real. Wild textures, colors, layers, definitely coming back here. On the way back down, I just slowed things down. Desert flowers blooming, hardly anyone out there. I think I saw maybe 3 other vehicles the whole time. And then this showed up. Just around a hairpin turn, this canyon drops off about 200 feet. No guardrails, no signs, just there. This is Yankee Doodle Canyon. Apparently it's a beginner-friendly slot canyon. But from up here, it doesn't feel beginner-friendly at all.
Okay, I had no idea this canyon was here. I've never been up here before. And I was just driving down this dirt road and I looked off and I saw that amazing canyon. So I got some fun shots of it. And then I could hear a bunch of birds down in there kind of singing their morning song. I'm gonna see if I can get my other camera out and get some nice shots of those birds.
So I head back towards Leeds. Everything is going great. And then I make my biggest mistake of the day.
Okay, I'm just about to get back on the pavement. And so I do what I always do when I get back on the pavement. I set up my vehicle to be able to air up the tires.
I'm airing up my tires and at the same time trying to book a massage appointment because, yeah, my back is still wrecked. The tires hit pressure, I shut off the air compressor, forget what I was doing, and drive off. About 100 yards later, I see in my driver's side mirror some black hose flapping around back there. Yeah. I jump out and hear air hissing from all four tires. Every hose is shredded, all of them. I just stood there laughing because honestly, what else are you gonna do? The problem is, in 3 days, I'm heading out on a 12-day off-road trip, trying to find some of the smallest towns in southern Utah and the Arizona Strip, trying to stay off pavement as much as possible. I need those air hoses. After a few calls, somebody pointed me to a place in Hurricane, or Huracan if you're local. That's where I met Ronnie, and this guy totally saved me. Okay, so Ronnie, show me these hoses that you made for me.
We made, they're roughly about 4 feet long, put 1/4-inch male threads on each end with a quick disconnect end on it. We reused 3 of the ends that came on the original kit. I modified one and put the one I had on it for a quick disconnect.
I used this one yesterday. It works really, really well.
Nice! Those are the ones that I make a 4-way tire deflator that I use those same ones on it. But yeah, we made those, a nice simple set out of Continental air hose. That way we don't have to worry about the hose failing.
And you sure bailed me out. I think I was probably here maybe 20 minutes. You were really fast to understand it, get it done, had all this stuff, built it for me. You're telling me that you've only been here in Hurricane for 2 years.
Yeah, we're almost here, open 2 years in business. We came out of Southern California originally. We are car people. We do have off-road buggies and stuff. So when we do see cars come in, we already kind of have an idea of what's needed, kind of behind the scenes stuff, and then it makes it easy for us to assemble and adapt and put all the things together for tire deflators or ARB air lockers, anything in between like that.
Yeah, love it. Anyways, Ronnie hooked me up. It's so good. So thank you so much.
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate it.
Also, I don't know if you guys are into this kind of stuff, but I think anybody who likes to tinker Ronnie has like everything in here. When he was showing me stuff in here the other day, I was like, he's got like all the hoses, all the fitting, everything in here. So if like you've got a problem, he probably has a solution in here and knows how to do it. So really fun to come in here. I'm not glad that I broke the hoses on my Bronco, but I am glad that I found hosing more and that Ronnie was able to help me out.
So yeah, not exactly the day I planned. Missed my hike, destroyed my gear, but I found a place I'll definitely come back to. And maybe that's the point. I'm about to spend the next 12 days exploring tiny places that feel like they shouldn't even exist. If you're into that kind of wandering, go ahead and subscribe and come along for the journey.